In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your Toyota Prado key fob. If your key isn't unlocking the doors or starting the car like it used to, it's probably time to replace the battery. Start by flipping the key over and sliding the small release button to remove the mechanical key. Once it's out, look for a small notch or seam in the key fob casing. Use a flathead screwdriver or a coin to gently pry open the case. Be careful not to use too much force. Just work around the edges until the two halves separate. Inside, you'll see the coin cell battery, usually a CR2032. Note which side is facing up, then carefully remove the old battery. Place the new one in the same position with the positive side facing the right direction. Snap the two halves of the key fob back together and reinsert the mechanical key. Test the buttons to make sure everything works. If this video helped you change your Prado key battery, please like and subscribe for more simple car tips. Thanks for watching.